Hey guys, this morning I want to talk about these replacement logs and the process that we have to go through to get them ready to be installed. You can see the logs behind me. The one on the sawhorse is one we're going to demonstrate on, and it has been rough cut on a sawmill on three sides. The bark has been left on the outside, which is the face. They have been kiln dried, as I'd mentioned before. Now, if you're fortunate enough that the manufacturer of the house is still in business and they're still making that profile of the log, by all means, go that route. Don't go through this extra work, what we're doing now. But many times it's just not available. All right, so here are the tools that we'll be using in this cleaning process. The first one is a Makita curve-based planer. We use these all the time. And for removing bark, it's a wonderful tool as well. Now, we could use a draw knife, but there's no draw knife marks on this house, and this is a faster process for us. And we're going to clean a little deeper beyond just the bark itself. We also have a chainsaw set up with planer blades on the end called a log wizard. It works real well too. But this curve-based planer, this is what we're going to use today. Two more tools that are the same are grinders. Now, we like the grinders with variable speed. Safer, easier control. You can adjust the speed down. This grinder set up with a metal / woodworking disc that's on it. The second grinder, again, variable speed, but we have this one set up with a hook and loop pad on that 5/8 inch arbor with 80 grit paper on the end, sandpaper. The fourth tool is just a good old router, and we'll be using this router to make the beveled edge that you'll be seeing on the inside face of the log. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Also, check us out at loghomeresources.com, where you'll find a lot more information just like this to help you with your log home. Thank you.